Hindi ka sakit.
Kamusta? Maganda ba ako?
Ganda!
Maganda. Papakasalan mo ba ako ulit?
Hindi.
Kiss mo nga ako! Hello friends! Welcome sa channel ko. Kanina tahimik, pero as we were about to start this makeup tutorial, biglang ang ingay sa labas! Kakaloka! Yes! Okay, are we ready, baby? Yes, we are! So, yung kamay ni Justin na super duper hairy ang magiging kamay ko for today in this tutorial. So, are you guys ready? Baby, are you ready? Yes, he is. We shall begin. Bago tayo mag-start, ito yung makeup products na gagamitin ni Justin. Ilalagay ko ito sa aking lap for easy access sa aking mahal. And so, magsisimula na tayo. Okay! Magsa-start tayo by priming our face. And Daddy, would you like to show what we're using? So, we're using this Maybelline na nakabaliktad. Talaga may ganun sa cheeks. Okay, we're using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Erasing Primer. Yes! An ample amount to apply on my face. Pakita sa camera! Ayan, ganyang karaming primer ang gagamitin natin today. And i-apply na natin to sa aking face. Okay? So, i-massage nyo lang siya kagano nito with a very, very light hand. Okay? Make sure na yung mga pores ko. Yan! Alam na alam ni Daddy kung nasan yung pores ko. Okay, sa ilong. Ayun. And syempre, gagamitin natin dalawang kamay instead of just one. I'm gonna move on to my foundation. I am using here, if I can just see it, makikita ko yung Super Beauty, Super Beau, whatever it is, Candy Poreless, teka, wag makulit, Cream Look Poreless, yes, in SPF 20. Okay, so ngayon, uy, that smells nice, amoy gelatin, amoy sa gugulaman siya, okay. Aamin lang ng konti ng aking tenga. Pero I'm now gonna be applying my foundation, okay, using my Dab Beauty Blender. So, i-dab lang natin siya all over my face, just like that, making sure na it's an even application. Oh, this smells really nice, love. It smells really nice. Amoy bubblegum siya. Talagang mabango siya. So, i-blend ko to using my beauty blender. Or pwede rin naman na using my fingers yung gagamitin ko para i-blend yung foundation all over my face. Lang pa yung coverage. Kasi gusto natin may coverage, lalo dito sa ilong ko kasi maraming ano dyan mga large pores. And habang ginagawa ko yung foundation ko, gusto ko naka-rest yung kamay kong isa dito banda sa shoulders ko, just like this. Di ba? At dahil nag-even out na yung aking skin tone, kailangan naman natin maglagay ng concealer underneath my eyes. Gagamitin ko tong LA Girl Pro Concealer. Oh, yeah! And so, I like to apply this just like this underneath my eyes. And gusto ko rin, syempre, yung kabilang mata ko, lalagyan ko rin nito. Okay. Medyo i-stretch mo lang konti yung skin. There we go. Yes. Tapos, matatakpan na nito ang ating mga puyat-puyat days. So, I'm using my beauty blender to even out yung concealer underneath my eyes. Now, we're going to contour the sides of my cheeks and I'm using Super Beauty Contouring Kit. And bubuksan ko na yung compact. And using my BH Cosmetics brush, I'm going to dip this dun sa darker shade. Pasensya na kayo guys kung medyo maingay kasi may construction dun sa kabila. I-apply na natin siya sa aking cheeks. Yes! So, mag-start tayo dito sa aking patilya, papunta sa aking mouth. Just like that, the mouth area. Dapat meron din yung kabila kong muka nitong powder na to. Minsan gusto ko siya ilagay in between my actual cheekbones at saka sa aking jawline. Just like this. Okay. So, yan. Ganito yung tama talagang pag-contour. Susundan mo lang yung patilya mo papunta sa mukha mo. Okay. Now, we're going to contour the sides of my nose para magkaroon tayo ng matangos na ilong. So, gusto ko talagang dinudot-dot yung product kapag maglalagay ako ng contour. Diba guys? Ang tangos na ng ilong ko. Pero feeling ko parang kailangan ng konti pa. Contour sa ilong. Ayaw na ayaw kung tinatap yung brush pag naglalagay ako ng powder. Dapat talaga choky siya na parang ganyan. So now we're going to highlight. I-highlight naman natin yung aking mukha. So yung highlight, dapat nilalagay natin siya dito sa kung saan ko nilagay yung contour ko exactly. Sa cheekbones ko para magkaroon ng konting dimension naman. Ayan. Siyempre, kailangan mapapantay mo rin siya dito sa kabila ng mukha ko para balanse yung kulay. So gusto kong, gusto kong ginagamit tong brush na to kasi sobrang soft ng bristles niya. So kailangan ng konting highlight sa nose line. Yes, ang nose line ko minsan nandito sa cheeks eh. Pero talaga, yung nose line ko makikita sa nose line talaga dyan. Okay. Okay, so now, magsiskip muna ako sa blush on. Magpo-proceed tayo sa aking kilay kasi dahil sa dami ng pinaglalagay ko sa mukha ko. So, I am using here the 3W Clinic Brow Definer from Miss Mildred. Okay, so I'm going to draw my eyebrows. Gusto ko yung eyebrows ko on fleek talaga siya. So, I'm going to carefully draw my eyebrows. And medyo kinakapa ko kasi dapat yung eyebrows ko para alam ko kung saan siya ilalagay. Okay, there. Nakita ko na yung eyebrows ko. Yan. Gusto ko yung tail ng eyebrows ko maganda. Pero dahan-dahan lang ako kasi baka maputol yung pencil. Konting flick pa ng konti. Yes, there we go, my friends. Okay. So, kapag mag-flick kayo na eyebrows, kailangan pumipilantik. Okay, so ngayon gagawin naman natin yan sa kabilang side ng aking mukha. Again, kakapain natin yung kilay. Tapos magdodrawing na tayo. Tatanggalin ko yung kanang kamay kasi blocking sa camera. Ayan. Tapos idodrawing ko yung pinaka on flick na kilay. Yes, there we go. Dahil nalagay na natin yung eyebrow pencil, kailangan maglagay din tayo ng brow mascara. I am using here the Nichido Brow Gel. Yes! So, yes, dahan-dahan natin siyang gagawin. Lalagay ko siya sa kilay ko. And I like to take my time when I do the brow mascara. So, now we're going to dip our wand once again. Tapos lalagyan ko din yung aking kaliwang kilay. Ayan. So, next up, we are going to do my eyeshadow look. Gusto ko parang medyo shimmer-shimmer lang. Yung parang natural lang. Korean look, di ba? So, I am using here my Shawel eyeshadow in 002. Papakita ko sa lahat kung ano itsura ng shade. Ayan. Bubuksan natin yung packaging. There! Tapos, gagamitin ko tong blending brush na nabili ko sa Glad King. I-dip ko siya doon sa eyeshadow pot. And we are ready to place that eyeshadow on my eyelids. I like to apply a generous amount from my nose line papunta sa aking eyelids. And then, i-blend ko siya using the brush. Yon, like windshield wiper motion. Ayan. And dahil ang ating eyebrows are on fleek, kailangan yung ating eyeliner on fleek din. Gagamitin ko tong K-Palette Everlasting Eyeliner. Everlasting Eyeliner. Yes. Tapos, we're gonna work our way down to my cheekbones. Guys, sige, ulitin natin. Para mas makita nyo ng mas maayos. Yes, there. So, maganda yung kinakapa mo siya. Just like that. Okay. And dahil on fleek na yung aking eye makeup, we are going to be using my favorite mascara. Papakita ko siya sa lahat. Yan, yung Maybelline The Falsies. Yung inyong lower lashes. Para malaman nyo kung saan nyo hakagudin yung inyong actual lash, kailangan you rest the one directly on your cheeks. Okay. So, yun. Dito naman, from the sentido, papunta sa actual eyelid. Malapit na nating makomplete yung look at lobat ng aking camera. So, I am using here my favorite blush from Flormar. Ayan. So, ididip ko yung aking brush dito sa product. Eh, lalagay ko na siya sa aking cheeks. And I like to apply this very rigorously, as you can see. I'm going to add more here sa aking other cheek. And gusto ko tong i-apply na parang ganito, upward motion. So, now comes the fun part! To complete the look, kailangan natin ng super bold lips. So, gagamitin ko tong Super Beauty, kanilang matte lipstick in the shade Galaxy. Okay, and I'm going to apply that on my lips very carefully. Kasi minsan, mahirap gumamit ng bold na lip color without realizing. Mahirap gumamit ng bold na lips kasi ang hirap i-trace ng lips mo. So, I'll just keep my mouth shut to make things easier for me. Okay. I think that's okay na. What do you guys think? And now you're done with your makeup look. You're ready to go out, have some fun with your girls, go out on a date, or meet the parents. So, ito yung perfect na makeup look para sa mga ganong events. So, what do you guys think? Ayan guys, may nakalimutan kaming gawin. Kailangan pala nating iset yung makeup using loose powder. So, kailangan generous nyo rin i-apply ito sa mukha nyo, parang ganito. Yes! Don't mind if you actually hit your red lipstick and smother it all over your face. That's okay. Tuck everything in. I'm going to spray my face with this infallible setting spray. So, I'll close my eyes habang ini-spray ko to. Just like this. Yan. Okay. I think I need more down my chin. Okay. Okay, Daddy, are you ready for the big reveal?
Oo.
You wanna see how I look?
Patigin niyo mata.
Will this stop off the inverted false lashes that he did? Sa husband does my makeup.
Special thanks to Thinking Dream family for our t-shirts.
Yay! Thank you! We're wearing them. Yeah! And thank you sa Super Beauty for sending us some of the makeup items that we featured in this video. Let me know down below by clicking the thumbs up button kung nag-enjoy kayo sa aking makeup tutorial. Okay, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. On Instagram, that's Chris Lumagi. On Snapchat, that is also Chris Lumagi. And I will see you on my next video. Mahal ko kayo guys!